thing I like most about practicing personal injury law is being able to help people when they need the help the most. One benefit that we have here at the firm is we can be a little bit selective about what cases that we take. We want to spend as much time as we can with each client that we have and make sure that we understand what they're going through individually.
You want to make sure that somebody who is representing you actually cares about you, not just in it for money or a name or to get an extra case to their load. You want to make sure that they want to take care of you, that they're there for you.
And in order for us to effectively represent them, we have to know them and know what they're going through in order to properly convey that to the insurance adjuster or opposing counsel or ultimately to a jury.
In my law practice, I've handled everything from car accidents to child sex abuse cases, situations where a ladder is falling off a truck in the middle of the road, to some bizarre things that you wouldn't think about.
Here at Cullen and Hemphill, we handle auto accident cases and general personal injury cases, slip and fall cases, dog bites. Any time someone's been injured due to the negligence of someone else, we'll handle that case.
I've been a member of the Florida Bar since October of 1993, so I've been doing it, personal injury law altogether, for about 22 years. Which can streamline the process a little bit. Of course, every case is different. Every case is unique in and of itself. But having seen a lot of things, you know what needs to be done on the case and how to best present it to whoever's going to be evaluating it, whether it be an insurance company or defendant, a corporation, or whoever. We've also handled cases for all kinds of different people and every socioeconomic background that you could think of, and we've become sensitive to what works to help one type of person versus another type of person.
He's going to let you know what's going on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And also made sure I was getting medically treated properly.
It's the only type of law that we've ever done, and we really enjoy helping people. We're not a big firm. We don't take every case that walks in the door, and quite frankly, we wouldn't be doing our clients justice if we did. You're hiring the firm of Cullen and Hemphill. That's Kim and I. So we're the ones who are ultimately responsible for your case. We're the ones who want to present your case for you, and one advantage that we have here at our firm is that you will get personal attention from an attorney whose name is on the door. The value of Kim and I working together is that we both work together towards maximizing recovery for our client. So I think it's important that you hire an attorney with experience and someone who is passionate about doing personal injury law.
The law changes all the time. Every year the legislature meets and they tweak certain aspects of law.
You really want someone who focuses on personal injury and specializes in that area of the law. The value of someone's injury case is largely dependent on what the doctors are saying about their injuries and what the future may hold for them from a medical standpoint. So I've met with clients who have come to me who've been represented by other attorneys for cases in the past who have said, you know, I had this case and my attorney and my doctors got all the money and I was left with basically nothing.
I tried to get some representation from another law firm and they were able to financially help me. So, the Lord led me over to Cullen, which he was able to take my case and help me very much so.
A lot of the things you just can't deal with it alone. You need a professional opinion. This law firm was recommended to me by another friend. And actually, my lawyer recommended me, and I thank him for that. Robert, within a short period of time, got a lot done, and I was very impressed.
I feel like more lawyers should be more compassionate. And I feel like more lawyers should pick up the phone and find out how you're doing, or even just fill them in. Because any time something changed, it was usually Bob that was calling me, giving me the update. Very rarely was it his paralegal. He would take that extra few minutes to say, hey Lisa, by the way, and he would tell me what was going on.
It never costs a penny to call us and talk to us about any kind of injury case.
Most people who are involved in auto accidents, of course, are not expecting that. They're not prepared for it, and it's devastating to them in several different ways. They've lost time from work, so they're not getting the income that they had before. They're physically in pain. There's all kinds of distractions with regards to filing the insurance claim and things like that. So it's nice to be able to at least take that burden off their shoulders as far as handling the claim against the insurance companies and presenting their claim, and they can focus on just getting better.
I'm just grateful and thankful for this law firm for being there for me and for going the extra mile for me. I'm really, really, really pleased.